What if I told you that you can use Seedance 2.5 model fully free and unlimited and create AI videos without paying anything? Yes, fully free and unlimited. Don't worry, I will show you the live proof, so don't miss any step. Interesting part, in this video I am going to show you two different methods. First, I will show you the normal method where you can use the Seedance 2.5 model fully free but with a daily credit limit, just like Google Flow. Then I will show you another secret method and test the Seedance 2.5 model video generation continuously without showing the daily limit message, which is unlimited method. So let's jump into our live test. Open AI and it will show a message saying it's not available in your country. Don't worry, just start a VPN and choose any European location. Once VPN is started, just refresh the AI. Now it will start working. First, I will show you the limited daily credit method. Then we will test another creation workflow which is unlimited. Click on new chat, choose fast, then choose video, and then select the Seedance 2.5 model. Now copy any random ChatGPT video prompt, paste prompt and press enter. The video generation will start. Here you can see a message saying you have 2 points left for today. Once the video is generated, you can still see the same daily limit message. So clearly this method is limited. Now let's test the unlimited method. Make sure you follow all the steps to make unlimited videos using Seedance 2.5. Click on new chat and change the fast to pro. With plus button you can upload reference image or video. Then click on the skill button and then choose the generate video. You can also manage connections by clicking on the connector. Now in the chat write make video using Seedance 2.5 and press enter. It will give you a message. Now entering your video prompt and press enter. You can see that it allows you to write options such as duration, up to 15 second, aspect ratio and other video settings in the prompt. It will ask you to confirm and simply write yes, okay or confirm and enter. Now video generation will start. The generation speed can depend on the speed of your internet. And here you can see the video has been generated. You can download the video using download option. So let's test again and make another video. Again it asks for confirmation and simply say yes and enter. Now the video generation start again and this time we can check whether a daily limit message appears. And here we have another video with 15-second duration and I still don't see the same daily limit message from the earlier workflow. So let's perform one more test. I will simply ask, can I make another video? Press enter. And it says absolutely. That makes this workflow very interesting for digital creator who want to experiment with the unlimited and free Seedance 2.5.